Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
A new study using leading-edge technology has shed surprising light on the ancient habitat where some of the first dinosaurs roamed in the UK around 200 million years ago. The research, led by the University of Bristol, examined hundreds of pieces of old and new data including historic literature vividly describing the landscape as a landscape of limestone islands like the Florida Everglades. No one has ever gathered all this data before. It was often thought that these small dinosaurs and lizard-like animals lived in a desert landscape, but this provides the first standardized evidence supporting the theory that they lived alongside each other on flooded tropical islands, said Jack Lovegrove, lead author of the study published The study amassed all the data about the geological succession as measured all around Bristol through the last 200 years, from quarries, road sections, cliffs, and boreholes, and generated a 3D topographic model of the area to show the landscape before the recent flood, and through the next 5 mil. At the end of the Triassic period the UK was close to the equator and enjoyed a warm Mediterranean climate. Sea levels were high, as a Great Sea, the Rhaetian Ocean, flooded most of the land. The Atlantic Ocean began to open up between Europe and North America causing the land level to fall. In the Bristol Channel area, sea levels were 100 meters higher than today. High areas, such as the Mendip Hills, a ridge across the Clifton Downs in Bristol, and the hills of South Wales poke through the water, forming an archipelago of 20 to 30 islands. The islands were made from limestone which became fissured and cracked with rainfall, forming cave systems. The coastlines dropped in many places as sea levels rose, said Jack, who is studying paleontology and evolution. The findings have provided greater insight into the type of surroundings inhabited by the Digitised, a small dinosaur the size of a medium-sized dog with a long tail also known as the Bristol dinosaur. Co-author Professor Michael Benton, professor of vertebrate paleontology at the University of Bristol, said, "I was keen we found evidence that the small islands were occupied by small numbers of species, whereas larger islands, such as the Mendip Island, could support many more." The study, carried out with the British Geological Survey, demonstrates the level of detail that can be drawn from geological info. The new map even shows how the Mendip Island was flooded step by step, with sea level rising a few meters every million years, until it became nearly completely flooded 100 million years later, in the Cretaceous. In the UK we have this rich resource of historical data from mining and other development, and we now have the computational tools to make complex, but accurate, models. Please support our channel to grow by pressing subscribe button as well as the bell icon for environment updates. Thank you.